Can I actually get a perfect credit score by 2026? Achieving a perfect credit score is a goal for many, and its importance can't be overstated, especially as we head into 2026. In this video, we'll explore what a perfect credit score looks like, the challenges you might face, and most importantly, how you can achieve it. A perfect credit score seems like a myth to some, but it's definitely within reach if you understand the right strategies. Many people think that a perfect score is only for those with pristine financial histories, but the truth is more nuanced. One of the biggest misconceptions is that a perfect credit score requires a long credit history with zero mistakes. However, it's possible to build a strong credit profile even if you're just starting out. The challenges people face often include managing debt, making timely payments, and understanding how credit scores are calculated. As we move into 2026, these challenges might evolve with changes in financial regulations and technologies. For instance, there's a growing emphasis on alternative data points in credit scoring, such as rent payments and social media financial behavior. The foundation of a perfect credit score is understanding the factors that contribute to it. Payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix all play significant roles. Payment history and credit utilization are particularly crucial, as they account for the largest portions of your score. In 2026, we might see an increased emphasis on credit mix and new credit, as lenders look for borrowers who can manage a variety of credit types responsibly. Keeping credit utilization low and being mindful of new credit inquiries will be more important than ever. The length of your credit history also matters, as a longer history can positively impact your score. This means that even small actions, like keeping old accounts open, can add up over time. Understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions about your credit. Another critical factor is credit mix. Lenders like to see a diverse mix of credit types, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. This shows that you can handle different financial responsibilities. So, what's the secret to a perfect credit score in 2026? One often overlooked strategy is leveraging financial technologies that help track and manage your credit. Tools that monitor your credit report and provide personalized advice can be invaluable. Emerging financial technologies, like AI-driven financial assistants, are also changing the game. These tools can help you stay on top of your payments, optimize your credit utilization, and even predict potential issues before they arise. To reach a perfect credit score, you need to stay informed and adaptable. Keep an eye on your credit report, make smart financial decisions, and take advantage of the latest technologies. In summary, achieving a perfect credit score in 2026 requires a solid understanding of credit scoring factors, a proactive approach to managing your credit, and a willingness to leverage new technologies. The benefits of a perfect credit score, including lower interest rates and greater financial flexibility, make it well worth the effort. If you're striving for a perfect credit score, share your current credit score goals in the comments below. Subscribe for more financial tips and tricks, and check out our video on quick and easy ways to boost your credit score. Thanks for watching.